Vermont Tool Company. Name brand tools with a warranty. Your premium automotive supplier. Helping others worldwide receive tools.
How's it going, everybody? Vermont Tool Company. I got some gear wrench tools. We're out here on Father's Day fixing up the swing set. After time, this ends up squeaking a lot, so we're just gonna tighten this down and get that more secure for the kiddos. Happy Father's Day, guys. How's it going, everybody? Vermont Tool Company. Happy Father's Day to you guys. I got some tools here, some Milwaukee, some gear wrench. We're out here fixing up the kiddos swing set. I'm gonna take these caps off and we're gonna tighten them down. So these ones right here aren't wiggling too much, and that's because we tightened them way down this time. So we also are thinking about putting some Loctite on these and maybe locking them down, but we'll probably do that next time. So let's get started. First thing you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to get some badass Crocs like mine, and then you're gonna need the step stool. Most importantly, the step stool. And you see that nice Milwaukee bit right there fitting right in there? Oh, I gotta switch that. Oh, you thought they were gonna fall. All right, so let's take them down. Now we don't want to lose the screws, so this is why we're going to put them in our Lucky Charms handy dandy screw holder for the day. And I also got the cap off. So let's get back up there. So there is our piece. So what we're going to need is this and the, where'd it go? All right, I ended up finding it. Fell through the little holes in the kiddo's seat. Classic. Alright, so we're going to fit that onto there. Just need an adjustable wrench. No need to go get some sockets. That's what I was thinking. And then you're going to put this right in between here. And then turn that, and it's going to tighten it down. And then we're going to cap it. Alrighty, you guys. So we have these pieces. And when they go back and forth, when they're swinging, they make a lot of squeaking sounds. My daughter said they sounded like a duck. So I said, okay, well, after we tighten it up, it obviously wasn't that. So let me get this into position. All you gotta do is get into there a little bit. Boom, all over this piece right here. And then that'll stop it from squeaking. What I usually do is I'll put a rag behind right here and then really shoot around it and then just capture it into there and then wipe off the excess. Best tip out of that video. All right, now that we got the cap off, what you need to do is make sure this is absolutely straight with the other one on the other side, or else it's gonna end up like this. So one's kind of crooked and it doesn't make for a smooth ride. So make sure that they're straight, and then what you're gonna do, take your adjustable wrench. There we go. Put that up to there. Stick that into there so that way it pivots that, and then just start turning and you'll be all set. Alright, so real simple process. You could just put that right into there, turn that so that way it corrects it. Same with this one, put that into there, turn it so it corrects it, and then we got the WD-40 on here, and while she's swinging, it's not even making any sounds. Problem solved.